Hello students, very good morning. In the exercise 4.2, 8th second one, already first one we discussed before the previous class. What is that problem also I will tell you. Determinant of 1 a square, 1 b square, 1 c square equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. This is the problem in the 8th first bit. So already we discussed this problem. So not only like this, 1 x square, 1 y square, 1 z square is also there. That is also same concept. X minus y into y minus z into z minus x we have to do. Now this is the second problem in that in the 8th second bit. What they are asking question you see there. Determinant of 1 a b c a cube b cube c cube concept we have to apply. So just you observe, I am taking the LHS part as delta, or you can take LHS also, no problem. The determinant of 1 this is a b c a cube b cube c cube. I told already, in any row or any column of a determinant are 1 all the elements 1 any row all its elements are 1 is there. So we have to apply C2 changes to C2 minus C1 and C3 changes to C3 minus C1. Same C2 minus C1, C3 minus corresponding C1 elements. So if we apply that property, there is no changes in first column elements, that is 1 a cube. C2 minus corresponding C1 elements, see here 1 minus 1, this is 0. B minus a, as it is you write, that is b minus a. B cube minus a cube. Next, C3 minus the corresponding C1. See, whenever you are applying the column operations, we have to move our hand from left to right or right to left. So that point remember. Whenever we are applying row operations, top to bottom or bottom to top we have to operate. So like this we are operating means the column operations we are applying. So horizontally we are operating means the row operations we are applying. See. Now C3 minus corresponding C1. So 1 minus 1 that will be 0. C minus corresponding C1 element, that is C minus a. C cube minus a cube. C cube minus a cube. Now you observe, we can take second column. If you observe, this is 0 into b minus a also you can write. Here b minus a, here b minus a. So we are taking b minus a common from C2. At the same time, C minus a common from C3. Then remaining elements you observe. No changes in C1, that is 1 a cube. Here b minus a if we take common, this is 0, this is 1. Then what we got? B cube minus a cube. What is b cube minus a cube? Equal to b minus a into, that is b square plus ab plus a square. So already b minus a gone. Then what is left here? That is b square plus ab plus a square. Similarly, from the column, third column, C minus A we can take common. So this is 0 into C minus A also you can write, no problem. But 0 means C minus A common means what you left here 0. Then this is 1. This is same like that. C cube minus A cube nothing but C cube minus A cube nothing but C minus A into C square plus AC plus A square. C minus A gone means remaining what you left there C square plus AC plus A square. See here, already two elements in first row 0 0, so that we can expand along the first row. So we can write, so expanding along R1. So along R1 if you expand means what we will get? C. So expanding along means here no changes. This terms B minus A into C minus A. This is B minus A into C minus A. Then if we expand along first row, you observe, along first row means plus minus plus, just expansion of determinant. 1 into means if you have to close this column and this row, then what will left? This is 1 into, you observe, 1 into this one, nothing but C square plus AC plus A square minus this one into, this is B square. B square into this one means that is B square plus AC plus A square. Minus 0 into something 0 plus again 0 into something nothing but 0. See, 0 into, if you close this one A into this one minus B A cube. So anyhow 0, because 0 into something means 0. So no need to write that one also. If you want you can write, no problem. So this is B minus A as this we have to write. So from this B minus A into C minus A. You observe how to write this one. This is plus A square minus A square cancel. You observe clearly C square minus B square. C square minus B square. AC minus, this is AB only, no? So first one is AC. This is AB. Okay. AC minus AB. If I take plus A common, again C minus B we can write. So from this is B minus A, C minus A. Can I take C minus B common? So C minus B common means here what we left? C plus B. Here only A we left. So you observe from these two, here minus common, minus into minus becomes plus. So finally what we left means, this is minus common means it becomes A minus B. Here minus common means B minus C. This is no changes, C minus A. Here order, that is A plus B plus C. So this is nothing but RHS part. So this determinant equal to, we can do like this. Like this is most important result. So only 1 A B C A square B square C square is there. That is A minus B, B minus C minus A only. Suppose A cube, B cube, C cube is there. The extra what will get means A plus B plus C will come. So that point we have to remember. Next. Even in the entrance point of view, you cannot do long like this. Just only I written for theory purpose only. So whenever in the entrance point of view, if you want to calculate that result, means I told many times, if you substitute a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3, automatically you substitute these values here, you simplify. Here these numbers you substitute, means this is the one of the 4 options like this will be there. So if you substitute this data in one of the 4 options like this one, where which option suitable, means both are equal, means that option we have to select as the first, means the correct option like that. Next, question number 9. In that question number 9, what they given? See there, x square yz. Question number 9. Determinant of x square yz, y square zx, z square xy equal to, what we have to write, x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx we have to put. See here, x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, these type of terms where we will get which operations if we apply these type of terms. You remember, whenever to proving one determinant as something, means in this RHS part, what are the terms are there you have to observe. So x minus y, y minus z, z minus x terms are appearing, means so how to write such type of terms we have to guess. You observe. Now I am taking LHS as delta. See, that is x square y z, or this one itself z means delta will take, because the space is not sufficient, so that given data itself I am taking as LHS, nothing but delta. Now you observe, we need x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. How we will get? See, just we are applying R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Sir, why you are applying only these two operations, I will tell. One step if you write, means automatically you can understand. No changes in R1, only we are changing R2 and R3. Okay, now you observe, this is no changes in R1, means x square y z. R2 minus corresponding R1, that is y minus x, then y square minus x square. Here z common means we can write x minus 1. Next, R3 minus corresponding R1, so what we have to write, z minus x, z square minus x square. From these two, y common, so y common, then we can write x minus z. This is LHS part. So from this you observe, from the second row we take y minus x common from second row, y minus x. From the third row, z minus x from the third row. Remaining elements you observe. No changes in first row, x square yz. Y minus x, if I take common means 1. This is y square minus x square means y minus x into y plus x. Already y minus x we took common. So remaining what we left means y plus x. Here y minus x common but x minus y is there. So minus if I take common means minus z. Z minus x common means this is will be 1. This is z plus x. If I take minus common means this will be minus 1. Okay. So this is from these two y common means x minus z. From these two z common means x minus 1. Okay. Again here 1 1 is there. We are applying one more operation, that is R3 changes to, say, R3 minus corresponding R2. Just to observe. Because 1 1 is there, we can apply that operation. Now, what is this y minus x? Y minus x, z minus x, then this one you observe, no changes in first two rows, means x square, y z. This is 1, y plus x, this is minus z. R3 minus R2, R3 minus R2 means this will be 0. See here. R3 minus R2 means plus x minus x cancel. Then what will have means z minus y. This is R3 minus R2 means z minus y. See here. Again from R3 we can take z minus y common. So y minus x into z minus x into z minus y, remaining determinant you observe. This is x square, y z. This is 1, y plus x minus z. This is 0, 1, 1. Now we can expand this determinant. Expanding along row 1 means symbols we have to change. So you observe, this is y minus x, z minus x, z minus y. So x into this is what we will get here, y plus x plus z will come, minus x square into, you close this column and this row, this is 1 plus yz into this is 1. So from this you observe, from these two again we have to take here minus common, minus into minus plus, because we have to do x minus y into y minus z. So this becomes x minus y. It becomes y minus z. This is no changes. Z minus x. Now you observe these two. What we got here? Xy plus x square plus zx minus x square plus yz. Minus x square plus x square cancel. So finally, what we have to write means x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. So this is the answer. So this is little bit lengthy, but we should learn like this. So lengthy nothing but how many steps I have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maximum 6 steps we written. So in this chapter along the remaining problems only, this is little bit lengthy problem. Okay. Next. Question number 10. Yesterday, question number 10, what they given? First one. X plus 4, 2x, 2x. Determinant of x plus 4, 2x, 2x, again 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square or whole cube? Whole square. Okay. So right side terms you observe, automatically you will get ideas. So I will solve only this problem. Remaining 10th second one you have to answer, 11th first and second both you have to answer. So be careful. So this is 5x plus 4 or 4x minus x. Where we will get such type of terms? If any one of the two terms if we get means already automatically answer will come. So which operations we have to apply? So this itself I am taking as LHS part, or you can take delta also, no problem. So this itself I am taking LHS. So which are the operations I have to apply to get such type of terms? Applying, see here. 2x, x, 2x plus 2x, 4x plus x, 5x. So R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. You can take C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3 also. Answer will come. So you observe, we have to apply this operation. All R1 elements adding to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So R1 plus R2 plus R3, all these sum we have to write as R1. So that point you have to remember. So x plus 2x means 5x plus 4. So what you have to write first element nothing but 5x plus 4. This is also same 5x plus 4. This is also same 5x plus 4. No changes in second row means 2x. X plus 4 means 2x. This is 2x. 2x. X plus 4. Okay. Now 5x plus 4 we can take common. So according to property of determinant, any one element common is there in any row or any column. We can take out that element from the determinant. So 5x plus 4 determinant of, then what will left? 1, 1, 1. Then this is 2x, x plus 4, 2x. This is 2x, 2x, x plus 4. I told already, all the elements of any row 1, 1, 1 appears means C2 minus C3, C3 minus C1. Sorry, C2 minus C2 minus C1, C3 minus C1 we have to apply that operation. Automatically answer will come. Within 2-3 steps only you may get answer if you apply proper operations. See. Applying C2 changes to C2 minus C1 and C3 changes to C3 minus C1. If I apply that operation, what will get? Already 5x plus 4, this is common, already it is there. No changes in C1. What is C1? This is 1, 2x, again 2x. C3 minus corresponding C1, you observe. 1 minus 1, 0. Already I told you. Whenever you are operating column operations means your hand will move left to right or right to left. See, C2 minus C1. Again C2 minus C1. You observe. What is C1 element? X plus 4 minus corresponding C1 element. This is 2x. X minus 2x nothing but minus x. Nothing but 4 minus x. So what we got here? 4 minus x. Then third element 2x minus 2x. This becomes 0. Next. C3 minus corresponding C1, second operation, C3 minus corresponding C1, then again this is 0. C3 minus corresponding C1, again it is 0. C3 minus corresponding C1, again it will be 4 minus x. Very clear, this is the lower triangular matrix determinant, so the product of the determinant value is the product of the principal diagonal elements. Even in the examination, if you mark like that means triangle and this, if you are marking like that means automatically they will understand. So this is say lower triangular matrix means the value of the determinant is product of the principal diagonal elements like that. So you observe 5x plus 4 into 1 into 4 minus x into 4 minus x, nothing but 4 minus x whole square. See. How many steps are written? This is 1, 2, 3. Maximum 3 steps only you will get answer. Proper operations if you apply. So second one you have to answer. Just I will give hint. You will get. So this type of operations only you have to apply. What is the second one? You observe. Y plus k, determinant of y plus k, y, this is y plus k, y, this is y plus k. Can you tell what you have to do? 3y plus k into I think 2 instead of 2 means what is there? K square we have to prove into k square. Same procedure. What we have to apply? R1 changes to just I will give hint only. Applying R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. For R1 elements, what we have to add? R1 plus R2 plus R3 means again we will get same only. Same procedure what we applied in the previous concept means same procedure you have to apply. This is your work. In case you are not getting answers means you have to inform me. I will send and I will solve. Okay. Next. 11th first bit. Again same concept only you have to apply. See. What is that 11th first bit? Once we will see. A minus B, A minus B minus C 2A. See here. Determinant of this is A minus B minus C 2A. This is 2A. This is 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B. This is 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. Can you guess what we have to prove? R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3 means A plus B plus C will come. So this is A plus B plus C. I think something whole cube or whole square will come. This is whole cube. So same operations what we applied in the previous problem, same operations you have to apply, you will get answer. You try these type of problems. In case you are not getting answers, you send to my WhatsApp, I will solve and I will send these type of problems. Okay. Then second one, x plus y plus 2z, determinant of x plus y plus 2z. This is x. This is y. Y plus z plus x, y is there. Y plus z plus 2x. This is again y. Then this is z plus x plus x, z plus x plus 2y. What we have to prove means 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube you have to prove. Again same procedure you have to apply. How to apply means see here 2z. If I add y means 2y. If I add I think z plus this is also z. This is also z. X this is becomes y. See x plus y plus 2z x y, z plus y plus z plus 2x y, z plus x plus z plus x plus 2y. Now you have to observe. Suppose already 2z is there. If I apply r1 changes to r1 plus r2 plus r3 means no use. 4z will come. But we need 2 times of x plus y plus z terms. So in this case what you have to apply means, so just you write the key. Applying c1 changes to c1 plus c2 plus corresponding c3. For C1 elements, which elements we are adding? Corresponding C2, corresponding C3 we have to add. If I add like that, what we get? X plus x means 2x, y plus y means 2y. So, you write this question, I will tell. Just we are applying. See here, applying C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So all C1 elements adding to, all C2, C3 elements adding to C1 elements. See, already x is there, one more from C to x means 2x plus 2y. So can you take 2 common? So x plus y plus z. Then second element we take. What is second element? C1 means z. C2 plus C3. Y plus z plus 2x plus y. See here. Y plus y means 2y. Already 2x is there. So 2x plus 2y plus 2z. If I take 2 common means, 2 into x plus y plus z. Third element also same. 2 if we take common means x plus y plus z. No changes in second column. What is second column? X. Then this is y plus z plus 2x. Then this is x. What is the third column? This is y. So this is z plus x plus 2y. So you observe 2 into x plus y plus z, first column all the elements are same, we can take out common. So 2 into x plus y plus z, if I take common, 1. This is x, y plus z plus 2x. This is x, y, z plus x plus 2y. Now same procedure you have to apply. Which procedure? Same, R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. See here. Applying R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus corresponding R1. So you observe what we get. Two into x plus y plus z. No changes in R1. So this is 1 x y. This is no changes in R2 also. R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1 means this is 0. This term minus x means only 1 x will appear. So we can write x plus y plus z. This is 0. R3 minus corresponding R1 0. This is 0. Then this is x plus y plus z. So this is upper triangular matrix determinant. So this the determinant is product of the principal diagonal elements. So that is one of the property of determinant. 2 into x plus y plus z into 1 into this one into this one. So that is 2 times x plus y plus z whole square. Whole square into 1 nothing but 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. This is nothing but RHS part. So this is the way of calculating this type of questions. Next.